The scientific study of tethers dynamics is a very active research at this moment.
And the reasons are multiple since tethers are used in multiple applications. Electricity generation from kites or balloons at high altitudes appears to be, potentially, at least twice the capacity of land-based wind turbines, adding the constancy of strong wings at certain altitudes. Tethers could be used in near space as a very efficient means of propulsion using the electrodynamics forces generated by an electric current moving in a long conductor tether under Earth magnetic field. Tethers are used underwater to keep floating platforms at sea in a more or less fixed position. Balloon tethers are continually used for weather telemetry, atmospheric scientific studies, and even balloon-based telescopes. Any balloon-based telescope control system must be calibrated to compensate for any natural vibration, rotational modes in a balloon tether system in at least 3 axes, azimuth rotation and elevation oscillations in 2 perpendicular horizontal axes. Any of these applications needs a working knowledge of tether dynamics. The weather balloon recorded on 04/11/17 at 7:38 p.m. These are released daily from FIU weather station. Since these weather balloons have long tethers, its tumbling patterns will be slow as a long pendulum period. Weather balloon recorded on 05/17 to 17/7:35 p.m. Any long tether in a balloon will present a combination of a pendulum motion determined by its length and rigidity, and an undulating motion along its length as a traveling wave in a string. In contrast, this long tether in an anomaly do not show any of the 2 expected oscillatory motions, pendulum or undulating traveling wave. It is straight rigid at all times.